Are you planning to apply for a job? If so, this video can help you create a great job application packet that will set you apart from the other applicants. In this video, we are going to discuss what a cover letter is and how to write one. When you are applying for any position, it is important that you should take time for creating a good cover letter so that your application will stand out from the rest. By the end of this video, you will know and understand the importance of a cover letter while applying for a job, the components of a cover letter, and lastly, an example of a cover letter which will help you to create yours. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon below so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. We are posting regularly on interview preparation, interview questions and answers which will help you to your next job. First and foremost, why do you need a cover letter? Over the years, applications to every job posting have increased multifolds, making it difficult for the hiring managers to go over the list of resumes to find a suitable candidate for the job interview. Resumes submitted would be in different formats, varying in length, and the hiring managers need to go through the entire resume to make a decision about the candidate, which is a tedious and a time-consuming process. That is where the cover letter comes in handy. It will help you to stand out. Hiring managers can read a cover letter to get to know the applicant quickly and find out whether they are suitable for the job even without going through the resume. Cover letters contain information that would introduce yourself to the employer, hook the employer's attention to tell why you are the best candidate for the job by highlighting your expertise and experience, and encourage them to read your resume. You must also choose one aspect of the company that speaks to you and include it as one of the reasons why you were drawn to apply for the job. It aims to show them how interested and serious you are in applying for the open position. Cover letter need not be an additional Word or a PDF document. You can use the cover letter format as an email content when you are responding with your resume, or you can use the same format to submit your resume in the job portals. By just doing this one thing alone, you will increase the number of interview calls you get by a huge percentage. Now, let's move on to the next part of this video, which covers the parts of a cover letter. This might be helpful to organize your thoughts and express them well in your cover letter. First, we have the greetings and introduction. Your cover letter must begin with a greeting for the sake of formality. Typically, greeting starts off with Dear, Mr. or Mrs. and the last name. If you know the name of the relevant hiring manager, you must include it in the greetings. If not, you could opt to write Dear Hiring Manager or to whom it may concern. Take note that your introduction must catch the employer's attention. You must explain what job you are applying for and why you are the best candidate for the position. Lastly, the introduction must contain a thesis statement. The thesis statement must contain what and how you can contribute to the company. Usually, the thesis statement comes at the end of the introduction. Second, we have the body paragraphs. This part comes after your introduction, and under this, you must elaborate the details of your education and experience. Focus on explaining how your background makes you a good fit for the job you are applying for. Keep in mind that the cover letter must not be longer than 1 page. Hiring managers might find it dull reading a long cover letter since they are already reading a lot of cover letters every day. A brief but comprehensive cover letter would do. The body paragraphs give you a chance to elaborate how your background is relevant to the position. For example, applying for the role of a business analyst, it would be helpful to add numbers since it could make a big impact on the managers. For instance, state how you helped your last client by expanding the profit by $250,000 over 3 years. This information could give the employer an idea of the value you can bring in a company. Lastly, we have the conclusion and sign off. In this part, you should sum up the ways in which you are a great candidate. You can also add or mention other aspects of the company that interest you. For example, In addition to my business experience, I have volunteered as a mentor for the past 4 years. I would be thrilled to draw on this experience in my work as a mentor in the company. Now, let's look at a case study to help you grasp the concept of cover letter in a better way. Jane, a business analyst, plans to apply for a job in WebWeave Technologies. However, she finds it a little bit difficult to make a good cover letter. With that, she tried to seek help online by looking at the company's website she is applying for. She takes note on the details that she might need in writing a cover letter, such as history, the values, or the goals of the company. After gathering the information, she then proceeds on using the 3-part framework which we just discussed to write her cover letter to stand out from the rest of the applicants. Now let's see how her cover letter looks. Let's look at this brief example of Jane's cover letter for business analyst position in this slide. As we have discussed, the content in this example contains the necessary aspects for each part. The first part contains the greeting and introduction. Jane starts off the letter by addressing Miss Barton, who is the hiring manager. Jane then elaborates for which position she is applying for, that is the role of a business analyst, and she then mentions her education, previous analyst experience, and her passion for client optimization. That is her education and her expertise to hook the hiring manager's interest in her profile. She also includes the one aspect which she likes about WebWeave, that is their corporate responsibility, to indicate that she is serious and excited to join WebWeave. The second part, the body, comes after your introduction, and under this, Jane elaborates the details of her education and experience which she mentioned in the introduction paragraph, focusing on explaining how her previous experience on analyzing corporate metrics to target key areas, translating the data to business solutions, which were the key asks in the job description posted by WebWeave. She provides this information to support why she is the best candidate for the open position. Lastly, the third part, which is the conclusion and sign-off, contains a recap of the whole letter, and she emphasizes on her background and her passion for corporate analytics, and summing up that she would be the best fit for the position. The last sentence, she includes a thank you note and that she is looking forward for their feedback. Outro. Now that you know everything about a cover letter, it is time to start writing. Feel free to come back to this video as often as you need. And remember to try and enjoy the process too. Don't forget to click on like, share and subscribe button if you like the video. We can't wait to hear from you.